Christmas to death.
Thank you. Because I be wearing these to death. Not to say I still ain't gonna wear these to death. You still gonna see me in my hoops. And you gonna see me in these a lot. Okay, hey y'all, so today is Vlogmas day 23. I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed really quick. I'm gonna take you all with me to the mall. Not on this big camera. Y'all know my vlog camera is kind of messed up, so I'm gonna do what I can to kind of complete this day. But I need to get a gift from my dad and a few other people. What else do I need to do today? That's it. Oh, me and my mom are gonna hang a few lights really quick outside when she gets here. I'm gonna take y'all to the mall with me though, so let me get dressed and I'll be right back. I'm gonna do what I can on my phone because this is like, I'm gonna insert a picture to show y'all. I don't want to risk taking this outside because I kind of filmed with this in the house. So yeah, we're getting close. We got 2 more days left. I'm tired, but we're gonna do this because I'm not a quitter.
See that little toggle right there? That little toggle goes through that right there. So that's how you put it on. Let me have your wrist over here. Turn it over this way. So the little toggle has diamonds in it. And the little toggle goes through that opening.
This on every time. It's not like my wife's.
See how feminine it is?
So pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I said I wanted earrings.
Over the earrings or the bracelets.
Let's do the earrings. What you think? Earrings? I said I wanted earrings though, huh?
You tell me how much you spending on yourself for Christmas.
Should I get both?
I was gonna say, treat yourself. You never buy yourself anything.
Your mama, y'all need to take your mama shopping with me. She
I
always encouraged me.
I go all out for everybody else, and then for me, I'm
you
kind
never
of,
do?
yeah. I don't know why I'm like that. I guess I'm just a giver.
You got that from me. She did. That's me.
Well, there's that, and then this is this. And they can both go home for Christmas, 2021.
I think I'm gonna get both though. But wait, but this matches that though. Nah, those too big. I don't like those.
See you, Disney.
Like it's Christmas, charming like an ornament. Might not get Christmas lights. Yellow gold in my grill, call that Christmas.
Lincoln, I love this ring right here. I tried that one on as well. Super pretty. And they have the matching necklace. I like this Gucci watch with the pink. And then these are the men's. I'm gonna eventually get myself a Gucci watch too. If y'all saw the vlog where I gifted my dad one for his birthday.
Turn on. Oh yeah.
That way we can be matching. Okay, we're waiting. She's gonna go and get the boxes to box everything up. Yeah, I know my vlog camera is broken, so I'm running, right? But I'm still gonna do like unboxings and everything when I get home because I do still have my other camera. I just gotta get a new vlog camera. And my phone died too. Ironically. I'm excited. Oh, there goes my stuff. Oh, so cute. There it is. Can I get in here, please? Did he fix this? Can he fix this? Oh, it's so cute. It's so pretty, isn't it?
If you're so patient, I have to tell my other daughters to come and see you.
Yeah, I'm definitely coming back.
And then here's your little earrings.
Okay.
So we'll do like this with your little pouch in front. And we won't say what we said.
I wish I could tell them.
All right, let me give you a little
you tell them for me. Oh yeah, she's so perfect. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna watch ᶑᶒᵛᵉᵧ as soon as we get back. Christmas to myself. Christmas to myself.
Keep it all 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Yeah, just love me, just love me, just love me. Love, love, love. As long as we got love, love.
Merry Christmas to Destiny.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas to you as well.
Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Thank
Destiny.
you. Thank you so much.
Christmas, I'm living like it's Christmas. Every day Christmas, spinning like it's Christmas, killing like it's Christmas. I'm living like it's Christmas.
ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ, Ma. But you might not like that. Hope y'all are enjoying this phone footage with me not having a camera right now. My bad, I do have a camera. I meant without me having my vlog camera. I used my DSLR to film the other videos. I definitely am not going to bring that big camera to the mall. So I'm back to my roots using my phone. If you're new here, I started vlogging in 2011 and I didn't really like get an actual camera until 2017. So yeah. So before I begin my skincare routine, I'm going to swap out my candle. I've burned down all of the winter birch one. I loved using this one. I'm going to add that little holiday portion of it to my aspen forest candle. This is by Makers of Wax Goods on Instagram. I got mine from TJ Maxx for $9.99. Now it's time for me to do my nighttime skincare routine. I did record this makeup look for you all in a girl chat that guys should watch too. Whether you want to just watch it for the chat or the makeup, I'll link it down below for you all. And thank y'all so much for all of the positive feedback on that video. It really meant a lot to me. So after making sure my hands are clean, I'm going to remove my contacts and I'll be adding in the Optic Free Contact Solution. This is literally the only brand of contact solution that I use. It was recommended by my eye doctor, so that's what I stick to. So my two options whenever I'm removing makeup is either the Pond's Cream or the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I've been using this one on the nights when I wear makeup. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use it again tonight. I smooth this all over my face and neck, gently massaging it into my skin, and then I dampen my hands to continue massaging further. Once I'm satisfied with feeling like I've lifted the makeup off enough, I take my ᶑᵒ makeup wipe and just gently remove all of the excess makeup. Using the cleansing balm before going in with the makeup remover wipe really helps it to just dissolve the makeup. It's not any friction as I begin to wipe over my face. After the makeup is off, I take the Ambi Even and Clear Exfoliating Wash. The Ambi products are really hard to find now. I don't know why, but I love their entire line, the Fade Cream. I don't feel like I need the exfoliating wash daily just because I don't really have texture on my skin even before using Ambi. But due to the lack of me being able to find the foaming wash now, I just usually get the exfoliating one if I see it. The cleansing is toning, and I have a few options, just depends on what I want to reach for. I have the Elemis Resurfacing Facial Pads. I love the Fenty Skin Fat Water as well. On days when I don't feel like using any of that, I just reach for 70% alcohol. I'm not saying you should use this, but I use this, and it doesn't harm my skin, clearly, as we can see. I don't really have a strict schedule on how I rotate the use of my products. I smooth this all over the face. You can use this morning or night, and it's basically a gentle and effective exfoliator, so that's why I have the few different options, just so that I'm not exfoliating every day. Well, I can change, I can testify. After toning is my serum step. I got this one as one of my little free Sephora gifts with my points. If I don't use that one, I got the Clean Beauty Papaya Glow from Walmart. That one on point too. And don't sleep on Dollar Tree. The Skin Nutrition Serum, girl, it gets you right. I'm not gonna link that one, check Dollar Tree, because Amazon charging too much for it, to be honest. So whichever serum I use, I basically just pat that in my skin, and then I follow up with my moisturizer. I do have a few moisturizing options that I'll show you all tonight. I chose the Elemis Marine Cream. This is the Pro Collagen one, and I kind of smooth that all over my face. I'm gonna have to show you all multiple skincare routines. I do like the Ambi cream as well. That one has SPF, so it's definitely a daytime option for me. Y'all put me onto Pond's. I'm still using that. Teamy moisturizer, that one is nice as well. So the last step is my oil. Currently, the two options I have is the Elemis facial oil and the Canty Liquid Gold with 24 karat gold. I just take 3 or 4 drops and apply this over my face. I like doing my skincare routine It's very
So I show you all
relaxing.
my different options of products. The products may change, but the steps remain the same, okay?
She's cute too, but the natural skin is given. That's how I remove my makeup and do my skincare routine. I purchased this item from Amazon about 2 months ago. Not gonna lie, I don't use this all the time. I think it's more so of an aesthetic for me. I need to get batteries for the other ones, so I haven't used it yet. It helps to promote better absorption of your skincare products, and it's just kind of supposed to vibrate and massage the face. I normally have relaxing music playing while I'm doing this, so it just really puts me in a nice mood. And that, my friends, is my nighttime skincare routine. Okay, you all, so I'm editing Vlogmas Day 23. Realizing that I didn't really conclude the vlog. I went to the mall with my mom and Mr. Lincoln, who is my nephew. I needed to get my dad something, so I went ahead and went to Reed's. I was like, okay, let's go ahead and go to Reed's, because that was one of the stores that I hadn't really looked at yet throughout Vlogmas of shopping. You have to put your name on the waiting list, not all the time, but obviously for the holiday. So I signed in. My phone was low, which was supposed to be my camera as well. Kind of picked out my dad's items, not thinking I was going to get anything, but then I started trying it on and I was like, let's buy myself something for Christmas, why not? Y'all will see what I got my dad on the 25th, but I am going to show y'all what I got myself today. So I did try on like this ring. I tried on quite a few things, and then my phone died, so then I swapped over to my mom's phone. This camera, I'll insert a picture to show you all how it's sitting right now. It's just bigger. I could definitely take it with me to film. It's much more noticeable because y'all know sometimes I be sneaking y'all in places. I think like maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, I was trying to take pictures in the backyard. It fell, I cracked the flash that's on the top, and so I just vowed this camera wasn't going outside anymore. It's for my sit down videos, and that's what we're gonna stick to. While I was waiting, I had time to browse. I'm glad I had time to wait, because if I would have just kind of went in and knew what I wanted, it wouldn't have crossed my mind to treat myself to anything. Cool, I got myself this from Reed's. This is their holiday packaging, so it's probably not like this all the time. It has the cute little snowflake cutouts, and then it just says Reed's in gold, 3D tissue paper, Reed's in gold, and it has penguins on it. I already opened everything. I tried to put it back to make it presentable for the vlogs. I opened one so I can kind of be quick with showing you all. This is the bag. The wrinkles will come out. I had it like tucked in the bag the whole time. And it just says Gucci right there. And then on the inside, it's just gray. Oh, I didn't know it had a pocket. Here, if you would want to put something, I love the silk lining, basically inside and out. And then you can also just kind of make sure that your things won't come out. And so I did get 2, 1 for each item. Okay, I put a poll up on my Instagram too, but my phone died. I'm gonna see if it's in my archives and I can see what you all voted for. See the end of the results. I got 2 boxes. Ah! No! Oh, I just got a paper cut. Oh my God. Okay. Inside of here is Reed's paperwork right here, your care instructions, most important, your receipts, my warranties that I purchased. So I have the care plan in here. Some of these numbers may be important, so I'm not going to show it too much. I think I can show, yeah, I can show this one. There's nothing, no numbers on this one. So I got that, and care instructions for the care plan, your warranty. When you're investing in jewelry and a really nice purchase, you definitely want to get a warranty on it. A large technology purchase, or even for instance my cameras and things like that, make sure that it's protected. So you kind of just pick and choose what's important to you. So I definitely got the care plan on both of these. So the Instagram poll stays up for 24 hours. I've never had this happen before. Literally, it's a 50-50 tie. So I had to be the tiebreaker, and this is what I chose. Comment down below too and let me know where I should hang my degree. I brought my degree home from my parents' house. I don't know where I want to hang it at yet, and y'all know I like to hang things once. It was like this when I first got it. I should have showed you all. Dust bag on there. So this is the first item that I have. Box, this is how it comes. Gucci booklet. It has lots of different languages in here, I think. It says certified member, responsible jewelry council. Da da da. You can pause this and read this if you would like. All right, so this is my bracelet. Gorgeous. So I took a screenshot from their website. So this is the Gucci GG running G bracelet with diamonds, and the product details from Gucci. The double G is a hallmark era of the house is elevated in 18-karat yellow gold. The white diamonds on the charm, toggle, and along the chain bracelet further enrich the design. So it's the 18-karat yellow gold, totaling approximately 1/5 the carat weight. Diamond charms, it has the toggle closure. It's like cute and delicate, girl. So that's what I have. I'm gonna try to put it on for you all. The next thing that I have, oh girl, I was excited to get myself this Gucci booklet right here. Not the camera doing all of that. So these are the earrings that I chose. Okay, so I'm gonna take my other earrings off so I can show you all what they look like. My parents gifted me these, I want to say 2 years ago for Christmas, I think, which is why I cherish these so much, and also why y'all probably see me in these a lot. Yeah, amongst the things that I tried on, I definitely was like, yeah, let's pick some earrings. So this is the double G's, and it also has the hoop on it as well. The clasp closure, you just let this down to close it. Okay, we got on one, click it in the back, and we have them on. Oh my goodness. So I love the fact that it's like a hoop and then the G's kind of just hang down from that. I was trying to decide and I kind of stood around a while to make sure, because I have to be sure of my purchases. And then I knew which one that I wanted. And I decided to go with this over the bangle. Both are cute, but I just decided to go with this one. You have to take this part and drop it through there. Girl. But basically, I'm supposed to have to put it through here, and I can't really do it by myself. The more I wear it, I'll figure it out. Okay, got it. Ah! Love the diamonds on this one, which is really what sold me on the difference between the bangle compared to this one. It was just giving me more, not to say that the other one wasn't classy, but it was just giving me more of a elegant is the word, vibe, which was my basically selling point for choosing this one over the Gucci bangle, which I still think is cute. The diamond charms that basically go all the way around the bracelet like that. And it's 37 diamonds, so included in the double G, the clasp, the toggle clasp right here, the closure, as well as this is the count of the 37. Like that it matches the YSL one. I don't know if I would wear them together like this, but I like the fact that the golds are quite similar. I got the YSL one for my 30th birthday from my parents. With our earrings, girl, I'm very satisfied with my purchase. I love the earrings. I love the bracelets. I was very satisfied with the customer service as well. I'm definitely going back. My early, I guess it's kind of me opening it early because it's just Vlogmas Day 23. That's it for Vlogmas Day 23. Merry Christmas to me. A gift from me to me. I felt like I deserved it, so that's that. I love it. Make sure you all stay tuned though so y'all can see what I did get my dad, and I also got somebody else something out of these too. Questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. Let me know what you all think. I think this is my first time purchasing earrings for myself, so I definitely wanted to get a really nice quality pair that I would love, because I be wearing these to death. Not to say I still ain't gonna wear these to death. You still gonna see me in my hoops, and you're gonna see me in these a lot. Yeah, I just really love jewelry. It really dresses up any outfit. Like, look how it looks with my nails up. Oh, that looks so good. I just sent a picture to the group. I'm like, Gucci on my wrist. Ah, love it. Hello, hello. It's the accessories for me. Thank you all so much for watching. We got 2 more days. I'm thinking about getting the Sony when I do buy a camera, because I've had Canon twice. I had the Mark II. At the Mark III, they both break in the same kind of way, like where the viewfinder just gets real dangly. Anywho, so I'm gonna think about that. That'll also give me time to decide while I'm on a vlog break to really think about it before just rushing into a purchase. I think if you're not new to my channel, then y'all know I never really rush into a purchase. I kind of gotta know that I want it before I get it. So for everybody that was kind of tweeting me about it, we're gonna finish Vlogmas. I got y'all.
I'm living like it's Christmas. Every day